Hello, in this video I am gonna show you masonry cards. So the masonry card system, I've got a Google search on masonry bricks right here, is similar to the way you have masonry bricks, which is essentially, the regular brick system that you will probably see around the world. So essentially, they're not all in line. Some are slightly shifted. They may be in line, every, row or two, but again, that's not always the case. Plus, as you can see, there's variation. So you get, let's say these ones and slightly thinner ones. Basically, they're not all equal. So that's basically what masonry is. But they are all together. They are, no matter what the size is, they've all sort of adjusted. And with a masonry card system, you can take this, pretty much to the extreme. So what you want to do is go to this website where the masonry link is. So this is a very important thing to read. So it basically says in version 4 they actually had a built-in masonry system, masonry like columns, but they removed it in version 5. You can still do it in version 5, which I'm going to show you. I remember implementing it in version 3, and in version 3 you needed an external thing, like it wasn't even on the website, I don't believe. And then in version 4, they made it built in, which was fantastic. But version 5, they sort of taken it out because they were saying that it created a lot of unpleasant side effects, which, you can click on this link and you can just read about it on GitHub. Okay, so if I scroll down, go to demo example. Really, the only thing we need from here is two things. One is this, which is the masonry JavaScript file, so copy that, and that's basically what it looks like. Where they're all sort of bunched together, but they're not all in the same size, and they all just sort of cool and move around. Okay, so we'll go to the bottom of the page. Just accidentally clicked enter. Click enter and paste here. And now what we need to do is grab a hold of this, add this to our div that has a row class. So, which is this one here. Obviously, the one that has all the cards in it, not some random one. And this is a attribute, so save that. If I refresh, as you can see, it's sort of, even if they're all the same size, it does this cool thing where it has a bit of animation. But now let's actually make them different sizes. To do that, I'm literally just going to remove random content from them. Let's remove that. Let's remove this. Obviously, you will probably have these cards, populated via some sort of, let's say, database or via some sort of user input, and that way, you don't know what's gonna, be in there, so you can't, pre-program it. So let's save that and let's see what we get. So as you can see, they are all different sizes. And let me actually remove the background for this one. They are all different sizes, but they are all still sort of bunched together. They all still sort of move around as you would expect. As usual, what I want you to do, not as usual, but as an extra task, which I actually mentioned in the card video, is figure out how to actually put a slight gap when there's one card on top of another card. I think you'll look pretty cool. If you do have any questions regarding that or anything else, feel free to pop me a message. You can either comment on the video, you can even message me via Discord, which there'll be a link in the description. Plus the entire community is on there, so even if I can't assist you, or to take a day or so, somebody else will. And feel free to check out our website, someonlearning.co.uk. Again, all of that is in the description, so feel free, however you can figure it out, contact me or the community. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome programming Bootstrap video.